that? Oh shit. It's recording here. We got low battery. We gotta do this quickly. Yo, what's good, YouTube? Yo, this is literally a bullshit ass. You can't come closer. This is literally a bullshit ass video. I'm just telling y'all why I haven't uploaded in a minute. Cause I was busy doing Khaled stuff. But as you can see right here, we're not tripping over that shit. Come on, man. So yeah, by the time you seen this video, it's probably gonna be like May or something like that. Yeah. I made my college decisions, and that's why I haven't been posting. Now that I have my college decided, I'm gonna start posting more. That's what I thought before my English That's what I thought before my English teacher gave me not one, but two 15-page research papers. 30 motherfucking pages. That's what I had to say, man. We in here. New videos coming next week. I'm gonna start recording. We in here, man. I'm gonna catch y'all. I love you, man. Oh, that was kind of suspect. No homo. Wait. Oh, no homo. Let's do this. Let's see how it works out, how it look like. You feel me? Hell yeah, man.